Hello again. As we know, outward displays of Christianity in this country have been frowned upon for years as being likely to disconcert, offend, or exclude those following other religions. Some local authorities have stopped the practice of prayers at the beginning of meetings, lest Muslims or Jews should be upset or made to feel awkward. The same has happened at some universities, and there are moves afoot to try and prevent Christian prayers being said at the beginning of sessions of Parliament. The true agenda behind such moves has now been revealed with perfect clarity. The London Borough of Redbridge has been at the forefront of trying to remove Christianity from public life in a supposed effort to become more inclusive, as it is put. This is simply camouflage for what is really going on, because after dropping the Christian prayers which used to precede their business, they have now instituted the practice of Muslim prayer instead. In the description to this video, I give a link to a clip of this happening. It was taken on Thursday by somebody who was shocked at what is going on. And just in case anybody suggests that this is white nationalist Islamophobia, I should say that I was alerted to this by several Hindus in Redbridge who are made very uneasy by what is going on in the council. Suppressing public displays of Christian faith is not about making things more inclusive at all. It is rather clearing the way for replacing Christian prayers and observance with that of Islam.